Welcome back to Mindset English. I'm so glad you're here because today, we're not just learning English, we're talking about something far more valuable than anything you've ever held in your hands. I'm not here to give you tricks or shortcuts. I'm here to tell you the truth. And let me warn you, the truth isn't always easy to hear, but it will set you free. My name is Ethan Carter. I'm 35 years old. I wasn't born into wealth, power, or privilege. I didn't grow up with answers handed to me on a silver platter. I come from a small town and a family that had just enough to get by. My parents taught me one powerful lesson that shaped my life. Life doesn't owe you anything, you have to go out and earn it. I wasn't the smartest kid in school. I wasn't the most talented either. But what I lacked in natural ability, I made up for in pure determination. I failed a lot, but every single time I fell, I got back up. And that's the first truth I want to share with you. Your failures don't define you. What defines you is what you do after you fall. Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat on your bed staring at the ceiling, just wishing your life was different? Wishing you had more money, better job, a better body? I've been there. We all have. But let me tell you something important. Wishing doesn't change anything, action does. Happiness isn't something you find at the end of a rainbow. It's not hiding in a bigger house, a faster car, or a more luxurious lifestyle. Happiness is here. It's now. It's in the small things, the warmth of the sun on your face, the sound of laughter, the feeling of creating something meaningful. If you keep chasing happiness through things, you'll never catch it, because true happiness comes from within. And about money? Yes, money matters. Of course, it does. You need it to survive, to take care of your family, to build a life. But money is a tool, not a god. If you're lost, insecure, or unhappy, money won't fix that. It'll only make those feelings louder. But if you're strong, focused, and driven, money can help you do amazing things. You know what else is holding people back? Laziness. It whispers in your ear, telling you you can do it tomorrow, or you deserve a break. But laziness is a thief. It steals your dreams in silence. Every minute you waste is a minute you'll never get back. So if something matters to you, do it now. Don't wait. There were times in my life when I let fear and comfort keep me from growing. I let opportunities pass me by because I was too tired, too afraid, or too distracted. And I regretted it every single time. So I made a promise to myself. Never again. Fear and laziness won't control my life, and they shouldn't control yours either. Sometimes the door you wanted to walk through closes. A job doesn't work out. A relationship ends. A dream crumbles. And yeah, it hurts. But here's the beautiful part. Every time life shuts a door, it opens a window. You just have to stay open enough to see it. And don't take yourself too seriously. Life's messy, unpredictable, and full of surprises. You don't have to be perfect. Laugh at your mistakes. Embrace your flaws. And for the love of yourself, stop trying to impress people who don't matter. You don't need their approval to live your life. It doesn't matter if you're in the US, the UK, Japan, South Korea, or anywhere else in the world. You are the leader of your own future. You don't have to follow the crowd. Do what sets your soul on fire. You're worth it. And if there's one habit that changed my life forever, it's this. Never stop learning. Teach yourself. Read. Ask questions. Stay curious. You are your best teacher. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. Take a second and really ask yourself, what are you doing right now? Are you chasing your dreams or just standing still? Are you living or just existing? These are tough questions, but you need to answer them because you only get one life, one shot. Make it count. I wasn't always confident. I wasn't always this focused. There was a time I felt completely lost. I would wake up, look in the mirror, and ask myself, what's the point? I worked hard, but it felt like I was chasing something I couldn't catch. Then one day, something changed. I was walking through a park, feeling empty, and I saw this old man feeding birds. His face was worn but peaceful. I sat beside him without knowing why. He looked at me and said, "Son, do you know the secret to happiness?" I shook my head, expecting some deep answer, but he just smiled and said, "Happiness isn't something you find, it's something you create." That moment shifted everything. I realized I'd been chasing things that would never fulfill me, so I started focusing on the small things: reading a good book, taking a walk in nature, having honest conversations. It's not about how much you have, it's about how much you enjoy what you have. And don't be afraid to fail. My first business failed. I lost money, time, and pride. But failure taught me more than success ever could. It taught me resilience. It taught me to get back up. Every failure is a lesson. Let it teach you. And here's the truth: people will judge you no matter what you do. If you succeed, they'll say you got lucky. If you fail, they'll call you a fool. So stop living for them. Live for you. When you stop chasing approval, you find real freedom. When I was 30, I lost a close friend, like a brother to me. He was 29. One day, we were laughing. The next day, he was gone. That loss taught me the hardest lesson of all: life is short. If there's something you want to do, do it now. If there's someone you love, tell them now. Don't wait for the right time. It may never come. Keep your curiosity alive. At 40, I learned how to paint. I could barely draw before. I didn't do it to become an artist. I did it to remind myself how beautiful it is to be a beginner again. Try new things. Learn new skills. Stay alive inside. Here's something I always keep in mind. Your mind is a garden. If you plant negativity and fear, that's what you'll grow. But if you plant gratitude, hope, and discipline, your mind will bloom. Protect it, nourish it, and finally, no matter how things look right now, the best is yet to come. You have chapters left to write, mountains left to climb, dreams still waiting for you. Don't give up. Don't quit. Keep showing up. Life is still unfolding, and the best part is just ahead. Before we end, let me tell you one last thing. Life isn't a race. There are no maps, no guarantees, but it's in the struggle, the doubt, the confusion, the growth where the magic happens. You don't have to be perfect. Just try. Keep showing up. Keep learning. Keep believing in yourself. You hold the pen. You write your story. You don't need permission to be happy or successful. You already have everything you need inside you. You are enough. And when it gets dark, and it will, just remember this: the sun always rises. If this message touched your heart, share it. Let someone else feel this too. And if you believe in growing every day, if you believe in your own power to become more, subscribe to Mindset English. We're just getting started. The best is yet to come.